Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily replace images and media files in WordPress. So let's start. The most important thing, like when I'm going to click on media right now, I can't edit it, right? I can replace it. But what can I do is go to plugins, add a new plugin, right here, enable media replace. And you're gonna see it here, enable media replace, install now. Let's wait until it's going to install. Installed, nice. Activate it. And now when we have it, let's go back to media. And I can see it right here, replace media. Let's click on it. And okay, I can just choose file. I can like choose, I don't know, Canon. Voila, okay. By the way, replacement file is not the same file type. What I recommend is also like the file type should be like same. And that's pretty much it. Just replace the file. You can replace the file, use the new file name and update all the links. You can also do that, or you can just replace it. And it's up to you. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and upload and goodbye. Woo! Look at this. Oh, now it got different name. And I didn't change the date, so it's going to be like deep down somewhere. So this is pretty much it. Have a great day and see ya.